Welcome to the second day of Hackfest Manipur. Even with the bun and the rain, we saw a very impressive turnout yesterday. We are hoping to see interesting and innovative ideas today. It's really encouraging to see such talented and motivated group of young boys and girls in a place torn with conflict and constant hurdles like band and curfews. Please give a round of applause for yourselves. Let me describe briefly about Hackfest. Hackfest Manipur is the first ever hackathon in Manipur to give a platform and job employment opportunity to the IT educated population of the state. We are also providing mentoring and networking opportunity even after the event ends. Though this is our first ever attempt at this event, we hope to host this event every year. This event is organized by a bunch of young IT professionals based here in Manipur and also other parts of the country. They flew all the way from Mumbai, Delhi and everywhere else to be a part of this event and organize it. Moving on, let me talk about the recruiters who are here at today's event. The first company is MobiImp. They are cloud-based ERP platform providers. We have CloudZack. They do business and IT consulting and have products like PurpleZack, which is the largest job portal in Northeast India. They are based in Imphal. We have WOL Media. They are based in Imphal and they organize events and they also do marketing and branding. We have LVigo. They are analog mixed signal and our RFIC turnkey design services company based in Bangalore. We also have Motion Magic. They are a design solution studio headquartered in Mumbai and Delhi. We have Swerve, which is a brand new company. They are mobile app developers based in Mumbai. We have Engineit. They are survey programming service providers based in Mumbai with clients in North America and Europe. We also have Basic P from Imphal. They're one of the few companies in Northeast India providing a wide range of IT and non-IT services. We also have Globis. They are one of the earliest IT companies in Manipur. We have SK Internet, which is also an Imphal-based internet service provider. Moving on to our very, very generous and very supportive sponsors, we have Nivea, we have Acacia, a US-based company providing cloud cost management solution headed by a Manipuri, Gautam. We have Globis. They are one of the earliest IT companies, as I mentioned earlier. They are also our technology partners. We would like to thank European Manipuri Association for their generous funding. We'd like to thank North American Manipuri Association as well. We'd like to thank Babina Diagnostic Center, ZTCE Techno Private Limited, which is an IT solution provider based in Imphal, SK Internet, which is again based in Imphal, Home Decora, which is one of the best interior designers and home decor idea providers in Manipur. We would like to thank Sanmati Traders. They are electronic and hardware dealers. And finally, our media partners, we'd like to thank ePow, which is one of the first few Manipuri website providing news to Manipuris worldwide. We'd like to thank Manipur Times. We would like to thank WOL Media. We'd like to thank OCampus. They are the biggest campus activity website in India. And we are very, very proud to be associated with Challenge Post, a New York-based hackathon organizer. They're one of the first people to have organized hackathon in the world. They have organized events for global brands like Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Apple, Samsung, TechCrunch, AT&T. Challenge Post is the official event partner. We would like to thank our beverage partner, our very own Happy Beverages, manufactured in Imphal. We would like to thank our official photographer, Ramesh Angom. We would also like to thank Pebet Designs for the wonderful t-shirts that you see in Maite Mayek. There's a special request for the participants or students who are not doing any demos or developing any products. They will get their certificate of participation if they stay till the end of the show. So you will still get your certificate of participation. Please stay till the end of the show. Now for the product demos, we have a panel of very accomplished and experienced industry leaders as judges. First, we have Mr. Haubom Joyremba. He has been in the field of information technology and education for the last 11 years. He is on a mission to make Manipur the IT hub of Southeast Asia and create one of the best education sectors in the entire Northeast. His company, Cube 10, provides services like web development, application development, animation, design, advertising, web hosting, etc. Some of their clients include Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Council of Higher Secondary Education, Manipur. Then we have Mr. Rahul Dev Sharma Kongrai Latpam. He is the data scientist in Accenture. He has more than 14 years of management consulting experience. He is an industry leader in the field of business analytics, customer intelligence, big data analytics. He has also done strategic consulting for Fortune 50 companies in telecommunication, retail, banking and financial industry, and public services. We are proud to say that he has also been a speaker at NASSCOM Summit and other global events. He is an avid traveler and socio-economic and political analyst. We also have our very own son of the soil from Ukhrul, Mr. Joseph Awungshi, or you can call him Mr. Joe. Joseph Awungshi is the Director of Operations and also co-founder of Ingenet, a company in Mumbai. He specializes in the market research field with more than 9 years of experience. He also did his education from Imphal Ram Lal Paul School, and he did his engineering in Mumbai. He is interested in the talented pool of young people in Manipur and wants to encourage the IT population here. He is an avid gamer, and he has also co-founded another company called Swerve. We have a very, very special guest, Miss Tabita Dennis. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing it correctly. She's also the co-founder of Ingenet, and she's originally from Hungary. She has more than 10 years of experience in the field. Actually, her background is in business, but then she's interested in programming and technology. She also loves traveling. Now, regarding some of the rules for the demos, all the participants would be given 10 minutes each, and we are very strict on time. You cannot exclude the 10 minutes time limit. After the time limit is over for you to demonstrate your products, you would be given 5 minutes from the judges. They would have a Q&A session from you. Thank you.